Hey y'all, Sarah here at Fab Nails, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you how to encapsulate big glitters into your nails. Let's jump into it. Okay, so this is the design that I have so far. I have this pretty blue background. I'm just going to do the same full coverage on all the nails, and then I have this glitter nail and it has really big snowflakes in it, and I'm going to show you how I get the full snowflake in there and how I get it to curve to the nail and all that stuff, and then we'll do some stamping just for fun. So the background color of these nails is called Jack Frost from Magpie. It's a really pretty blue. It has shimmer in it, perfect for winter. And this is the glitter I'm going to be using. It's called Winter Wonderland from Glitterlands. This is really pretty blue with these really big snowflakes in it. And then the stamping plate I'm going to be using is this one. It's one of the smaller ones from Clear Jelly Stamper, and it's CJS 180. And the stamping polishes I'm going to be using is this blue, and it's number 146, and white, which is number 2. Also going to be using the Big Bling from Clear Jelly Stamper. You're going to need some plastic wrap or just cut a baggie, which is what I did. I just have this big piece right here. You don't need this big a piece. I could cut this in half if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. And then I have one of these rechargeable LED lights on a stand for curing gel, and this is the one from Young Nails. I'm also going to be using Flex Gel from Young Nails, and then my gel brush from Ugly Duckling. So we're going to start with the glitter nail. I'm going to get out a pair of tweezers and just get a few of these snowflakes out. 2 or 3 of them. And then we're going to go in and do some, hopefully just get some of the, just the circle glitters that are in here, not all snowflakes. I'm just going to put a few down. I'm going to leave a space, like a good space down here at the bottom to put a snowflake. But before I do that, I'm going to cure all this glitter in the light for 60 seconds. Okay, this is what my nail is looking like at the moment. So I'm going to lay some gel down in this space that I have right here. Just a little bit, don't need a ton. And I'm going to put a snowflake right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my snowflake on. And you notice these are really big snowflakes. And when you put them on, they stick out everywhere like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your rechargeable lamp and put it right here next to you so you have it. You're going to take your piece of plastic wrap, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of plastic wrap and you're going to put it over. It's really hard to do. You're going to put it over your nail like so, and you're going to press it down like so, so your snowflake isn't totally sticking out anymore. So once you have this down where you want it, you're going to turn your light on till it comes on, and then you're going to cure for a few seconds. And now you'll be able to just bring this up and your snowflake is no longer sticking out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cure this in the light for a full 60 seconds so we get that full cure, and then we'll do another layer of glitter and another snowflake. Okay, now we have our snowflake. It did end up not being pushed all the way down here, but I'm gonna try and fix that. So I'm gonna add a little more glitter to this. So I put a glove on, so I'm going to turn this on and try and hold this part of the snowflake down and see if it'll stick. Yeah, it didn't work, but I'm going to go ahead and put this in the light and a cure, and then we'll add another snowflake. Okay, this is what our nail is looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little gel up here, and then we'll put in our another snowflake. This can be a tedious process. I've tried doing it with putting glitter down and the snowflakes and then squishing it with saran wrap or your Ziploc bag, but it didn't work out too well. This off, and then we're nice and flat and rounded. Looks good. That one I did really good. This one down here, we still got some sticky uppies, but it'll be okay. It'll still look like a snowflake went on. I'm gonna put this in the light for a full cure, and then we'll encapsulate. Okay, we are all cured. We're gonna encapsulate this now. I'm going to cure this in the light for 60 seconds. Here's our cured nail. We're going to cleanse, and then we're going to shape this up. part wasn't down all the way, so some of it got filed off, which is going to happen. And then I have filed off a little bit of that, but for the most part, they still look like snowflakes. Okay, now we're going to move on to stamping. Okay, so I'm going to do the same design on all of them, which is this full cover one that I did, which is super cute. It's this one right here on the paper that it comes with. And it's these two steps right here. So for the squiggles, I'm doing blue, and for the snowflakes, I'm doing white. Gives me issues every single time. I'm gonna have to start over. And this is the final set. I'm going to put a top coat on these, and I'll come back and show you the finished result. Alright y'all, this is the final set of encapsulating the big snowflakes and doing a pretty nail design. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you all so much for joining me today in my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, and I hope you're having the best day ever. Bye!